Hello, beautiful yogis. Today we're going to focus on our digestion. We all know that feeling of being bloated and uncomfortable. Yoga can be a great tool to help our bodies feel better. This routine is designed to get things moving and help you feel lighter. Remember, listen to your body and take it at your own pace. Let's begin. We're going to start lying down on our backs. Find a comfortable position and let your body relax into the mat. Hug your knees into your chest. This is called Apanasana, or the wind-relieving pose. It's a gentle way to massage your internal organs. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and as you exhale, gently squeeze your knees towards your belly. Feel the release. Imagine you're giving your digestive system a big hug. This pose helps to stimulate digestion and relieve any trapped gas. Now extend your right leg straight out along the mat. Feel the lengthening in your leg. Keep hugging your left knee in. This is the half wind relieving pose. It targets one side of your body at a time. Breathe deeply here, feeling the stretch in your left hip. Notice how your body responds to the movement. Hold for a few breaths. Let your breath guide you. Now switch sides. Extend your left leg and hug your right knee into your chest. Feel the balance in your body. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch on the other side. Each breath brings relaxation and release. Remember, listen to your body and go at your own pace. Yoga is about connecting with yourself and finding what feels good. Come back to center, hugging both knees into your chest. Feel the gentle compression in your abdomen, which helps to stimulate your digestive organs. Now, drop both knees over to the left side. Extend your arms out to the sides like a T and turn your gaze to the right. This position not only stretches your spine but also massages your internal organs. This is our fetal position twist. Feel the gentle twist in your belly. Breathe deeply, allowing your breath to reach every corner of your abdomen. After a few breaths, switch sides. Drop your knees to the right and turn your gaze to the left. Notice how each side feels different and how the twist helps to release tension. Again, breathe deeply and visualize your digestive system getting a gentle massage. Imagine the twist wringing out toxins and aiding in digestion. Come back to center and sit up. Take a moment to notice any changes in your body and how your abdomen feels. We're going to continue with some seated twists. Sit up tall with your legs crossed. Ensure your spine is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. Place your right hand on your left knee and your left hand behind you for support. This hand placement helps to deepen the twist and maintain balance. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, twist your upper body to the left. Keep your spine long and your chest open. Feel the stretch along your back and the gentle pressure on your abdomen aiding in digestion. Section 4. Hip openers for a happy belly. Today, we will focus on a series of gentle movements designed to open up your hips and bring comfort to your belly. These exercises are perfect for releasing tension and improving flexibility. Now, switch sides. Place your left hand on your right knee and your right hand behind you. This twist helps in massaging your internal organs and aids in digestion. Inhale deeply, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, twist to the right. Feel the stretch along your spine and the gentle pressure on your abdomen. Keep your breath flowing smoothly. We're going to get our hips moving now. This will help in loosening up any tightness and improving overall mobility. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. This position is the starting point for our next movement. Keep your knees together and gently sway them from side to side. This movement is soothing for the lower back and helps in releasing tension from the hips. This is our windshield wiper movement. It feels so good. Enjoy the gentle massage it provides to your lower back and hips. Now bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open. This is the bound angle pose, which is excellent for opening up the hips and inner thighs. This is happy baby pose. Hold on to your feet or your ankles and gently rock side to side. This pose is great for stretching the inner groin and relieving lower back pain. Remember to keep breathing deeply and enjoy the relaxation it brings. Section 5. Finding calm bridge pose and reclined bound angle pose. We're almost finished. Let's move into bridge pose. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Press into your feet and lift your hips up towards the ceiling. Keep your core engaged and your breath steady. Now, slowly lower your hips back down. Bring the soles of your feet together again and let your knees fall open. This is reclined bound angle pose. You can stay here for a few minutes, allowing your body to relax and release. Section 6. Keep your practice going. Great work, everyone. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to yoga and digestion. Try to incorporate this routine into your week and see how it makes you feel. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yoga videos. Namaste.